Hey guys, back on the F-150 today. As you can see, I got the dash part to put the new touchscreen radio in. I went in and replaced this switch. So, while having the dash out, I see that it's not going to fit. And this is a pretty small radio, but it doesn't have that angle like that other one had. So, before I go and start cutting around this line right here, I'm going to see if I can't just take this brace out. It's not going to work. So this is not going to come disconnected without some fuss. And then this, I'm going to need this brace for this, and I'm also still going to need this part of the brace on the bottom for the radio. So I'm just going to cut it. I'll make sure all is still tight. And the reason I was using a wrench because you can't get the socket in there. So let's look at that again. Let's pull these radios. That's gonna sit there. Yeah, see, I'm gonna need that brace, so I'm just gonna cut it. I guess I could disconnect it from the top and take that piece out after I cut it. Brace. Oh, this is gonna take all day. FM transmitter? Oh, you know what? I bet you that's what this is. Yep. When you took this part before, we was looking at it before, I was wondering what this little thing was coming out of there. It's an FM transmitter. I don't think I've ever seen one that looked like that either. So this hooks into the FM, this hooks into your radio, and you get to hook up your phone to the radio. That's pretty cool, I guess. You guys are wondering, it's just a hand hacksaw. And I don't even know where I got it. But you just put the hacksaw blade in and you're ready to roll. So alright guys, messing with the AC in this Ford F-150. Here's a digital display. I've got this vacuum stuff taken out here, replacing all the O-rings, because this truck doesn't have a per se actuator. It has these vacuum actuated parts. So these O-rings are just old and brittle. Had pretty much just broke when I took them out. So we're putting new rubber O-rings in, putting a little dielectric grease in them, putting them all back together, putting it back in the unit, and I think that's going to take care of us. For the AC, just switching the defrost all of a sudden. Alright guys, we got it all put back together. I still got to tighten it all back up and put the parts back on. Here's the radio we put in the other day. It is coming out here now. If we put down to floor, it switches down to floor. I got a bunch of junk on the floor right now. Go to defrost, it goes to defrost. And if I switch it back, switches right back. So that's done. We'll move on to something else. Alright guys, I was gonna go ahead and put a little bit of Freon in here because it's not blowing extremely cold. It's cold, but I was looking for the low side port. There it is. It's down below this box right here. You can take this box out of the way, but really I think you can get to it without it. Anyway, what a pain.